Namecheap dashboard, this is how your domain names will appear. We are going to forward TamikaArmstrong.com to Hostgator. All you need to do is click on Manage and scroll down, look at the services that you do have, and you're going to go to Namecheap Basic DNS, click on the green arrow and choose Custom DNS. When you receive your email from Hostgator that you have purchased your hosting service, it will have your custom DNS in the email. So you're going to copy and paste both of the custom DNS. And the custom DNS is also located below the video. So you'll have it just below this video. There you go. And you click the green arrow, which is Save. And that is all you need to do to allow or to forward your domain names to Hostgator. Then you're going to log into that control panel that you have for Hostgator, not the front end where you pay your bill, but the back end where you manage your domains. So if you are creating a subdomain, you click on Subdomain. If you are creating a full domain, you click on Add on Domain, which is a full domain, and that is what TamikaArmstrong.com is. So click on Add on Domain and create a new domain. It's going to be TamikaArmstrong.com. There is no subdomain, and we're going to make the root directory the same as the domain name, which is TamikaArmstrong.com, and then you click Add Domain. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the full control panel. So you scroll up and you click on Hostgator control panel, and just so you know, Hostgator updated this control panel mid 2017. So if you see previous videos of Hostgator, not updated. This is the new control panel for Hostgator mid 2017. Then you're going to click on Build a New WordPress Site. So click Build a New WordPress Site. The domain you choose from your list of domains, Tamika Armstrong. Click Next. You're going to give your blog a title. We're just going to put TA. We're going to put admin. We're going to put Tamika Armstrong, and then we're going to add my email. And I did purchase that Namecheap email, so that'll be good to show you the Namecheap email. And Namecheap will send you a link to their private email service so that you can log into the private email. So we're setting up our password and email for the WordPress website, then you click Install. And WordPress does not always install automatically. Sometimes it does take a moment, so if it doesn't happen right away, it's okay, you did everything right. So once WordPress is installed in your Hostgator hosting services, you want to copy and paste your password, because the first thing you're going to do is change your password. And when you go to your website, like I said, if your website has not installed automatically or instantly, sometimes it does take a while, but if you follow the steps that I showed you, you did do everything correctly. So nothing has happened right now. It is still installing. And what I'm going to do with that password, I copied and paste. Always copy and paste your password. So we're just going to put it right there in your Hostgator hosting service. All you do is type in your domain name, and it'll either show you a basic WordPress page, which is this, or it will say under construction. It will say under the two, so you just go to your domain name and see if everything is ready. So now it's ready. When you want to log into the back end of your website to install websites, to make changes to your website, you put in your domain name and then you add WP-admin. So your domain name /WP admin. You type in your password, which is admin. And I did copy and paste that password previously. As I mentioned before, always save your password so that when you log in, you're not searching for it. Just have to wait for WordPress to be installed in Hostgator. I'm going to pause it for a moment and we'll come back. Once WordPress is installed, as soon as we log into the dashboard, the first thing we're going to do, click the X to log out of that question. If you use Google Chrome, go to Admin, edit my profile, scroll down, and one of the first things you're going to do is generate password, and you're going to add your own password that you will remember so that you can log in at a later date. So let me change my password, and then we'll move on to a couple more options I want to show you. Password is updated. If you have purchased a WordPress theme, you want to go to Appearance, Themes. You want to add theme, so press the add button and then upload theme, which means you purchased a theme, you're going to upload it to your website, or if you purchase a theme from one of these companies below, you can install directly to WordPress. So either you install directly or you upload from your computer. If you have been given a duplicate of a website, meaning someone gave you an exact duplicate of their website, you go to Add New, and there is a plugin that will import a duplicate website to your website, and that plugin is WP, I was hoping there it is, All-in-One Migration. So All-in-One WP Migration duplicates full websites. So if someone gives you a duplicate of their website for you to customize, you go to Plugins, Add New, type in All-in-One WP Migration, press Activate. If you have that file that was given to you of the duplicate website on your computer, all you want to do is go to this plugin and press Import, import from File. Or you can import from Google Drive if Google Drive is connected, but generally import from File works best. And so that is how you forward your domain to Hostgator, install WordPress to your Hostgator hosting services, and you can do this as many times as possible without paying per website per month. You can have as many WordPress websites as you like to have.